Alright, now I want you to reach for the next tutorial, volume tutorial 2, and we have this, challenge time puzzle at the front of the page. So all of you should have a tutorial in front of you, should be about 4 A4 pieces of paper thick. I want you all to guess what is the volume of this tutorial. So you all know that volume is length times breadth times height. So I want you to get a ruler, measure the length and the breadth and height of your tutorial. It won't be super accurate, but maybe you can say the height is 0.1 cm maybe. Okay, use your ruler now, measure the length and the breadth of your tutorial, and I want you to pause this video and comment on this post. What do you think our volume of this tutorial is? So after you pause, you comment. After you've measured everything, I will post a reply in the comment section on what is the approximate volume. So go ahead and post now. After you finish pausing, I'm going to continue. So let's cover the topics in tutorial 2. We're going to apply the formula of length, breadth and height again, using base area now for cubes and cuboids. And just take note that in volume, our formula is length times breadth times height, and the portion on length times breadth can also be summarized to be base area. Okay, so in this question, they have given us the base area of 16 cm squared. In order to find the length, you would have to do this. So how would you find the answer for? In your calculator, find the square root button and key in this. And then the equal sign, you should get 4. If you're not comfortable keying in square root and cube root, you can also figure this out mentally. That's fine as well. Let's go on to the even numbers. Sorry, we're going to go through the odd numbers today. Okay, use of calculator is allowed. The figure shows a cube with base area of 121 cm squared. So using this base area, what is the length and the breadth? So we're going to key in square root of 121. Can you key that into your calculators now? I'll give you 10 seconds. And your answer should be 11. So therefore, the length and the breadth of the cube is 11. What do we know of cubes? The length, breadth and height is the same. So the height would be 11 cm as well. So the volume of the cube will be 11 times 11 times 11. Key that into your calculator. You should get 1331. So the answer will be 1331 cm cubed. If you don't want to present it this way, I'm going to show you an alternative way to present. You can also key in 11 cubed equals to 1331. It's also acceptable. Next one, question 3. The figure below shows a cube with shaded part X. The area of the shaded part X is 16 cm squared. Now, shaded part X is pretty useless to us because we don't have the shaded part as part of the formula. So what you will have to do is find out what is the entire base area including this part. Then you will get the area of a square. So since this has been cut into 4 parts, the base area of the cube is 16 times 4, which is 64. From the base area, you can find the length, which is just a square root of 64, square root of the area, and that will give you 8. After which, you can find the volume, using the length of 8. 8 times 8 times 8 equals to, key that into your calculator, you should get 512 cm squared.